In this video, I'll guide you how to integrate the Facebook Pixel with Shopify using Delta Pixel app. Open the app in the Shopify admin panel. Now click on Facebook Pixels option here. Now click on Create Facebook Pixel. You have to complete these 3 steps in order to integrate the pixel. In first step, write the name of your pixel here. Go to the Facebook Business Manager. Now open Events Manager. Here click on Data Sources. And click on the pixel you want to connect. Go to Settings. Copy the pixel ID given here. Go back to the app. Paste the ID here. Now you can select whether you want the pixel to target a specific product, using tags or entire store. Let's just select entire store for now. Now click on Next. In the second step, you need to add Conversion API. Now go back to Events Manager. Scroll down. Click on Generate Access Token. Copy the token and go back to the app. Paste it here. Now go back to the Events Manager and get the test event code. It is used to test the pixel tracing in the Facebook immediately, otherwise Facebook takes a few minutes or hours to show the trackings of the pixel. You can paste it here, since it is optional, so let's leave it for now. Click on Next. And that's it, your Facebook Pixel is now integrated with Shopify. Let's check whether your pixel is working or not. Open your store and perform some activity. Now go back to the app. Select the date. And all the activity you performed is shown here. Now you've successfully integrated the Facebook Pixel with your Shopify.